Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a train track video. This is actually going to be part 2. So what's worshipping we just did, that I don't think it's posted yet, so giving you a sneak peek of what's going to post it. Please subscribe before I get into any of this video. Like this video, hit the bell, and yeah, let's get on. Okay, so if you can maybe see, there's a big train track set. So we made this one. Well, I'll move the scooter out of the way. We've made this one, so I'm gonna take it apart. So first thing is, if there is any train track or anything on the thing, you probably want to clean switching off the video. So hey guys, I'm gonna be switching off video. So yeah, bye. Okay. I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to start over and do a new one because everybody probably doesn't want the same one over and over and over because that would be just boring, right? Everybody doesn't like boring stuff unless they won't like your channel. That's one thing I know. So you should get into this fast unless you want to channel. So okay, we're almost done and done. Okay, so first get this. So get this like slide thing. By the way, long difference, probably either 2 or 1 year ago we posted that other one, so in 2021 or 2, I don't know. It was 2020. Oh, 2020, so 2 years ago, because it's 2022 tonight. It was during COVID. During COVID, yeah. So first you're going to be needing this slide piece with this to connect. So you're gonna, so if it's like this, if it's like the slide piece, you flip it over, put it right here, okay? And then we're gonna put it about like in the side, right there. Can you guys see? Right? Wait. Right there. There we go. Next, we should probably do some, I don't know. We are going to do a forward piece. So you're going to need about this size of train track piece. Let's see. Pretty long. I mean, I don't know. Whoa. You're going to connect it to right here. Hold it down. Maybe your friend can do that or someone. And then get a long curvy piece. And then you put it on the edge of this. Actually, no. One more long piece. Here, I'll show you. Get up close. And then you're gonna put it right here. And then that might be too long for you to like keep going. So you get one of these rocks with like this piece, this inside to put the train track on, so it looks like decoration and so it's pretty useful. I mean, pretty useful. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. Actually, we're actually gonna flip this all around. We're gonna start this on the edge of the ocean, so it will be like there's what's it called? There's like a bridge over the ocean, not just over the land. Because you can drive on the land. You can drive on the ocean, I know. Not one ocean, but I mean, once you're on the ground, yeah. Stay. We're gonna put more of those forward pieces. Or I'm gonna do a longer one. So two pieces connect. Okay. And then you're gonna need one of those long curvy pieces. Again. Okay. There we go. And then next, you are gonna be doing a curved piece again. Well, not again. And then you're gonna have another one. And then another rock, too. Come on, Hanks! Out here. Actually, bridge piece. This is better. Wait, we can use this instead. Using a There we go. It's better. Next, you're gonna need one of those curvy pieces again, and then it's actually going out of the edge. So actually, that's good. So look. So get another one of those long curvy pieces. It's starting going back in. So it's like cool. And then if you can see, I built this right down here. So next, we should start building right over here. Come on, I can show you. So we're starting to build this. That, okay.
Except we're having pina coladas.
Oh, do you guys hear that? We should film a video on that.
Yeah.
You got
Vlog right after the morning.
okay. So they're doing like a morning routine. I'll set you guys back up right here. Okay. And then we're gonna get back to that. The only thing is we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna get back to this curvy piece, I should say. And then get one of these, like a gap, like a bus or a train stop. And then you're gonna put it way over here. And then next, you're gonna be needing this curvy piece. And then you're gonna put it. Actually, save this for, and then put actually the bolt like maybe about to cruise under. Whatever you want to do, just I'm making a pretty cool train track. So if you want to follow along with me, you can. So I put that turn piece so I can. So there's now like it's going around the city, not just like going forward and backwards. You know what I mean? Yeah. So next you're gonna put this. Okay, next, move on. So maybe this here. Say hi. What's up? So, coming. Okay. So next you're gonna be this, and then you're gonna be needing another one of those turns. I think. And yeah, so one of those turns I need. straights. And then with another one of those slidey things, you can connect it to this part. They get one of those rocky things. There we go. And if the thing is about to fall off the track, hey, look at me. Just put a chair right under it. So if it falls, no biggie. It'll just fall right onto the chair. So if someone's about to step there or I don't know, something, then you be prepared. So I'm right now building this. Probably when I say this, you know what I'm building. So yeah, I shouldn't say this. Yeah, I'm just a comedian. So get two other ones of those curvy. Those short curvy, that's what I mean. And then, so I now need straight pieces. Okay, so Judah just told me our pina coladas and sourdough toast already. Is that right, Judah? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna go eat them after this video. So right now we are gonna be putting this pretty soon. So hold on to that. The train stop with this train track. And then get one straight piece and then a long curved piece. There we go, and then connect it to right there. And then actually take that long forward piece out and put a tunnel there. Woohoo! You can put a tunnel now. Pretty cool. And have you seen my creation? Wow. And then another one of those turns. Find another one. I do not seem to have behind anything. So you put this here. And then you're just going to be connecting those. And then get the train station. And then there we go. It's not too detailed because I just gave you a classic one. Flip camera around, sorry about that. And then we got a pretty neat train track. The boat is see right there, about to go under the bridge. And then we got a tunnel there, about to lead them to the train station. Got like a gas pickup. Pretty easy to make. So that will be the end of this video. Peace, guys.